Have you ever heard other 31 consultants talk about the lead pool and wonder what on earth they're talking about? Or have you read a fellow consultant's post on Facebook that she received a home office lead and wondered what that was? Well, now is your time to find out. Home office leads are customers who are in need of a 31 consultant. They have either browsed our 31 Gifts website and would like more information, or connected with you at checkout online, giving you the perfect way to connect, grow your business, and expand your team. In order to qualify for home office leads, consultants must meet 4 criteria. Be a senior consultant or above, have $1,000 in commissionable sales in the previous month, have 1 personal recruit in the previous month, and have an active My31 website. When you qualify to receive home office leads in a given month, you will receive an email from Home Office on the 15th of the following month. And what is known as a home office lead pool will begin, meaning you'll receive home office leads for a 1-month period beginning on that day through the 15th of the following month. So for example, consultants who qualify January 1st through the 31st will receive home office leads February 15th through March 15th. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there are 2 main ways a home office lead comes to you from the lead pool. When a customer requests more information about hosting a party or becoming a consultant on our 31 Gifts website, or when a customer who does not have a consultant shops on our website and connects with you during checkout. In both cases, the customer is prompted to fill out her personal information as well as the reason for her request. As soon as she sends her request through the Find a Consultant form or during checkout, she goes into the home office lead pool and is connected with a consultant who is qualified for home office leads at that time based on geographical distance, either by zip code or postal code. Now, once a consultant has been matched with a home office lead, she cannot receive another home office lead until all other consultants who have qualified for leads have received one. If the nearest consultant to a customer has already been matched with a home office lead, the next closest consultant will receive that lead. On average, those who qualify for home office leads receive 5 leads from the home office lead pool per month based on title. The maximum number of home office leads you can receive increases by 5 as you promote. So 5 for senior consultants, 10 for directors, and so on. Once all consultants who have qualified to receive home office leads have been connected once, the process will repeat itself until there are no more available consultants in the lead pool. So what happens when you're connected to a customer from the home office lead pool? You'll receive an email from Home Office and a virtual office notification with the customer's personal information. Now, this information will also appear in the follow-up section of your virtual office under Contacts, organized by follow-up code. Now, you're probably wondering, what's a follow-up code? A follow-up code is the reason she gave for her request for a 31 consultant. Host, meaning she is interested in hosting a party. Business opportunity, meaning she is interested in joining. Retail order, meaning she connected with you at checkout online. Or shop catalog, meaning she is interested in receiving a catalog. You can organize your follow-ups list by code or click on any of your home office leads to add notes or mark that you've contacted her. As a consultant who's qualified for home office leads, it is your responsibility to follow up with every lead you receive from the lead pool within 1 week, either by phone or email. Let her know that you're there to help her and answer any questions she may have. Qualifying for home office leads is an exciting way to meet new customers and expand your team's territory. Keep working your business every month to qualify for this special incentive. It's totally worth it.